Hey guys, what's up? Not a whole lot here. Just realizing my hair is a disaster. It's okay. Who cares? Look at that. So I can't. So tiny. Hey Max. Hi, Max. Anyways, that is a cat in the background, just chilling. Is just chilling like a villain in the background. If it wasn't a darker chair, he probably would blend in with it better. But anyways, there's not much going on. I was just checking checking stuff on the interwebs, like what? Yeah, stuff on the internet. Checking my subscription, seeing if anyone uploaded any more YouTube videos. So far. You know. And there's bunches of new stuff. But anyways, that's besides the point. I'm doing a whole lot of nothing. I was thinking about maybe doing some Daz stuff again for speed art. I don't know. My hair smells so good. Oh, my nose itches. Oh. Yeah. This is exciting. No. Not really. Ooh. What is exciting? Absolutely nothing's exciting. I'm just rambling now. Anyways, I guess I'll just cut it here. Not a whole lot going on. Just hanging out with cats. Max. I had to look at him. Anyways, so yeah, that's all that's going on. Yeah. I have some stuff to install for Daz before I play it. Use it, not play it. Just ignore me. Anyways. Oh, wow. Anyways, I will talk to you guys whenever. Alright? Take care, and whenever. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, most likely, in the vlog, and whatever else. Whatever idea I come up with for a video. Yeah. So, let's talk to you guys then. Take care. Bye.